Hello ladies and gentlemen, again welcome back to my channel where I provide the summary of books. So in the last video we finished up with the chapter 2. In this video I'm going to start chapter 3 with title Mind Your Own Business. So up till now this chapter will gonna be the smallest chapter of all, but of course this chapter will gonna be the most inspirational compared than all of them. So the chapter begins with the story of Ray Kroc, who is the founder of McDonald's. When the people thought he's in the business of hamburger, he revealed that his real business was in actually real estate. His success came out not just by selling the hamburger, but actually owning the valuable lands under the McDonald's franchises. So, as the chapter titled as Mind Your Own Business, let us dive and let us understand why this chapter has titled Mind Your Own Business. Now, before understanding the title of this chapter, let us first understand why most of the people get stuck financially. So, most of the people focus on salary increase, they work overtime, they chase promotions, they totally do depend and rely on their jobs. Also, most of the people buy the luxurious items and liabilities thinking that of those are an asset. For instance, they buy golf clubs, homes, cars, etc. But they are not actually an asset because they take money out of your pocket. Some of them either require maintenance or some of them may lose their value very quickly. Now here the secret of financial security comes out by the rich dad's advice. He explains that continue your part-time job, continue your working, but focus on buying income generating assets. In the vision of author, the real assets are those which generate the income. The cars, the golf club, the home are the fake assets. The real asset are those which generate income. For example, bonds, stocks, IOUs, business which don't require you to present but generate the income for you. So in the vision of author, the asset are those which make money without of your present, without of you actively working. This was the reason why this chapter was titled as Mind Your Own Business. Your job, your working overtime will not pay for your dreams. This will only increase your income column, not your asset column. You are the only one responsible to make your asset column higher. So, ladies and gentlemen, the moral of this chapter, Mind Your Own Business, was along with working part time, along with working for your job, you can focus on buying asset which will generate income for your life, for your dreams. So focus on buying asset that generate income for you.